Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Edgar from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw an arch curve line for the top of his head. Right there. Extend it downwards on the right side. And at this lower point, I'm gonna turn it outwards with the curve line. Sharp turn back to the left with another curve line. And from the left ending point of that arch curve line, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line to the middle point and to the right. Sharp turn back diagonally upwards to the left with another curve line. Semicircle turn to the left at that corner. Below his hair on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally across to the left and slightly downwards. Curved line upwards at that point on the left side of his head. From the middle point of that curved line, I'm going to draw another curved line upwards, right there. Now for his eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across below the hair on the left corner, right there. Turn it downwards at the outer corner. And I'm going to thicken the outer corner of the eye at this upper point. For the lower line of the eye, I'm going to extend it downwards and curve line across to the middle point of his face. Inside of the shape, slightly to the right, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape and fill that in with black color. Now for his nose, in the middle of the face, I'm going to draw a curved line across. And from the same ending point at the side, I'm going to draw another curved line across and stretch it downwards in the middle point. Now for his ears, on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line out, semicircle turn downwards, and curve it back inwards at the lower point right here. Inside of the ear, I'm going to draw a curved line across, and below that, I'm going to draw a circular line right there. Below the ear, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards for the side of the scarf. And from that point, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the right, slightly downwards in the middle point, and curve it back upwards on the right corner. Turn it upwards on the right side right there. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line across at this upper point. And along the scarf, I'm going to draw some lines downwards. Right there. Now below the scarf on the right, I'm going to draw the sleeve of his shirt with a line downwards. Turn it diagonally to the right. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn out to the right, and from that point, a diagonal curved line outwards to the right. At that ending point, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape. And inside of that, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally upwards to the right. Curved line outwards to the outer corner on the right and semicircle turn downwards. For the inner line of the arm, curved line outwards at that point. For the top of his glove, I'm going to draw an arch curved line across. And another arch curved line across below that. And another one. Below that, I'm going to draw a curved line across. Turn it downwards on both sides. Another curved line across. Inside of that, I'm going to draw another curved line at that corner. And below that shape, I'm going to draw his finger on the left corner, a line downwards. Curved line across to the right, turn it upwards. a line across in the middle point inside of that. Repeat the same shape for the other fingers on the right corner, right here, and another one at that point. Turn it upwards at that corner, and for his thumb, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the left on the left corner, semicircular turn to the right, and semicircular turn upwards. In the middle of the thumb, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and for his nail, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape on the tip of the thumb right there. Now for his vest, in the middle point of center, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on the right side, turn it diagonally upwards and out to the right, turn it upwards at the right corner, and on the left side of the vest, I'm gonna draw a curved line similar to the one on the right, turn it sideways to the left, and at that corner, I'm gonna draw a long rectangle. And at the ending point below, I'm going to draw a circular shape and another circular shape at the outer corner surrounding that smaller circle. Above that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards to his scarf. On the left side of the vest, I'm going to draw his left arm with a curved line out to the left, semicircular turn upwards, and I'm going to draw a curved U shape across for his glove, another similar line again at this upper point, and another one. On the right ending point, I'm going to draw his thumb with a line across, turn it semicircular turn upwards on both sides, and a line across at the upper point. At the tip of the thumb, I'm going to draw his nail with a triangular shape. Above the thumb, I'm going to draw on the right corner a curved line upwards, an arched curved line across to the left. Repeat that same shape again on the left corner right here. Semicircular turn downwards at the side on the left, semicircular turn inwards on his wrist right there. For the lower part of the fingers, I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn to the left and turn it upwards. On the right side of that, I'm gonna draw another curved line across right there. On every fingers, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. Below the thumb on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircular turn to the left at this lower point, and curved line across at the side of the thumb at that corner. Now for the buckle of his belt, I'm going to draw a circular shape, and I'm going to leave a gap at the lower point of that circle, and at that gap, I'm going to draw a line downwards on both sides, a line across at the ending point below. Inside of the buckle, I'm going to draw in the middle point a smaller circle. For the line of the belt from the side of that buckle, I'm going to draw a curved line to the right and another one at this lower point for the lower line of the buckle, a line downwards at the outer corner on the right, and inside of the belt I'm going to draw some square shape right there and another one at the side on the right there. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side of the belt right here, and above the belt on the right side a line upwards. Below the belt I'm gonna draw his legs with curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards to his knee point, and below that I'm gonna draw another curved line, flare it slightly out and downwards. Repeat that same shape and mirror that on the left corner for the inner line of the leg right there. For his shoe, I'm going to draw an arched curved line in the middle point below that ending point and turn it sideways out on both the left and right. Turn it downwards on both sides. and curve line across for the base of the shoe. Slightly above the base, I'm going to draw another similar curve line across, and above that line, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across right there. Above that, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape in the middle point. For his left leg, I'm going to draw from the middle point a diagonal curve line to the left and slightly downwards. And below that, a curve line downwards, flare it out, and turn it downwards. For the outer line of that left leg, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line below the belt on the left right there. Same as a turn downwards at the knee point to his shoe. Now on the left side, below that ending point, I'm going to draw a arch curve line, turn it downwards at the outer corner, and at the inner corner, I'm going to draw a curve line across to the back of his leg, and along the top of the shoe, I'm going to trace the same line at this lower point right there. Same as you could turn back to the left and upwards. At the ending point on the right, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards for the back of the shoe. And for the front part of the shoe, I'm going to extend that curve line downwards on the left. Diagonal turn to the left and slightly downwards. Same as you could turn downwards and curve line across to the right for the base of the shoe. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm going to trace the same curve line across again. In the middle of that line, I'm going to draw an arch curve line to the left. Above that, I'm going to draw a curve line across. And another one at this upper corner. Turn it diagonally downwards on the right side. Now I'm going to draw the scarf at the side of his head with a diagonal curve line to the outer corner and slightly upwards. Same as you could turn downwards at that corner. And I'm gonna repeat that same line again at this lower point. Right there. And at that point, I'm gonna draw a curve line to the right and downwards. Turn it sideways to the left. Turn it downwards. Same as you could turn to the left, same as you could turn upwards, and same as you could turn back to the right diagonally to that point. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a series of curve line across diagonally to the right and slightly downwards, like that. Turn it to the right, same as you could turn upwards with a curved line, diagonal line to the left and upwards to that corner right there. And for the inner line, I'm going to draw another diagonal curve line at this corner to the side of his scarf on his neck. And I'm going to draw along the scarf at the side, diagonal line upwards and to the left. Another one right there, and another one there. And at the outer corner on the right here. And along the side of the scarf, I'm going to draw a line across right there and upwards at this middle point, and another one upwards at that corner. Mirror that same shape on the left side. that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!